when I bought them, I bought the tires, everything was so nice. Everything was looking so nice. Now, yeah, I look at the other one. Let me show you. So this one, you can barely see the paint. Yeah, I will paint them. Paint the trailer over there, paint the trailer tires. Now it's time to paint the other ones, these ones. Okay. So this is how it looks, the final result. Now, taking the wheels off, it looks like a big deal, but surprisingly it really isn't, you know. The jack, it's pretty good, you know. I'm putting under the on the axle in the back over there. Take out the lug nuts. This F-250 has 8 lug nuts, and now I'm taking the tire in the garage to paint it. I'm using this paint marker, bought from Amazon. Good reviews over there. What I can tell you, yes, it has a fine tip, but you don't have to hold it like straight vertically. So very easy process, very easy. This is the result. Just once, went just once with the white marker on this one, and now, as you can see, there are some small imperfections. Let me zoom in. There are some small imperfections over here, over there, over there, there. Probably not, they will not be very visible while running the car, but and while the tire is spinning. But I feel like I can do better. So what I've done also with the trailer, the tires for the trailer, I'm using a regular Sharpie pen, a Milwaukee in this case, marker, and go to the edges. Let me show you. Let me do over here. Just taking my time and trying to fill the space over here, and everything will be so detailed. Look. In this case, the letters are a little bit more, are pretty much raised. So I have a line to follow. Look. Now it's shiny, the paint is shiny, but soon look, you cannot see anything over here right now. So this is how I'm doing the details. Oh, let me show you also over here. Let's do one more. Let's do the O. Let's do this first. I'm gonna do them all again, but just for you to see exactly what I'm doing. Even if I miss this one here, I can go afterwards. In the center, you see? That's what it is. And this one I'm gonna do at every letter. Easy. Now the tire has to go back to the truck. Same process. I find this the truck being is not lifted. It's standard, but because you have so much, is the access to the axle, to the back of the wheel, it's so easy. It's pretty airy. I'm using a Milwaukee impact gun, 3/8. Now I'm switching to the other side. Over here I found a spot under the shock. I'm using this Casco dolly, as I find it very comfortable to paint on it and show you how I'm doing it. Same pen, I got a bunch of them. The trailer in the back was I switched, I changed the tires and the wheels, and I also used the same pen. Very happy of the results. Again, I'm gonna say it again and again. I'm not holding the tip straight, like vertically to the tire, so it's pretty much 45 degrees, probably even 60 degrees. um, Enough. So I've bought probably four things, and they contain two markers inside. With two markers, I feel like you can do your own, the four wheels of your car. For now, I have two more left, and I've done the trailer, so eight wheels. So I feel like two markers for a car, and not only that, because I'm passing twice, so I'm letting them dry for a little bit, and then I'm doing it again. That's how they look. I'm so happy of the result. I told you I've done the trailer. Now is time to do the truck. I feel like both together, pairing them together, the truck and the trailer, they will look great, both with white lettering. Now I'm putting back the wheel. Again, process super extremely simple. Putting the lug nuts back over there. Okay, this is how it looks right now. Again, I'm so happy of the results, and I cannot wait to for the next event with the food truck to see how they look together. But yeah, again, I'm super happy. I like how they look. Gives them a vintage and like an aggressive look of the tire, especially of this tire.